The current price action on Shiba Inu Coin, well, it's nothing to write home about. Let's put it that way. Shiba Inu Coin bouncing back a little bit over the last couple of days on the news that the SEC is not appealing the court's decision surrounding the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Did it rocket? No. But it is back up above a very crucial level of what was resistance, but is now support. And it's increasing the profitability of holders at not an alarming rate, but at a very large rate, which means that we might be seeing one of two things happen. Number one, we might be seeing holders committed to holding. Number two, we might be seeing people that are now reaching profitability finally looking to get out. So let's discuss what this means. Let's discuss what these levels are. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin it's reaching new levels of not popularity. It's definitely not as popular as it was. Profitability. It's reaching new levels of profitability right now that we haven't seen because people are doing one thing, averaging down. And that's beautiful. If you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, I did a video talking about that 700 point per coin mark. And at 700 points per coin, there was roughly, I believe it was like 6 or 7% of all wallets were profitable. And that included those that were just not losing. So anybody that had above a negative balance was considered in that mark. Now, as people average down a little bit, we are seeing all of those wallets profitable. Not just above negative, not just at break even, but profitable. So let's discuss this article and what it means for Shiba Inu Coin moving forward, because it's an excellent sign to see people making money, but you've always got to be concerned. Is this guy had enough? Now that he's back in the green, is he going to sell? And if you hold, we could see some excellent price action moving forward. Of course, if they fold, we could see some more headwinds and we could see some more pullbacks for Shiba Inu Coin. The title is Shiba Inu Profitability Jumps as SHIB's price level regains key levels. And it goes on to say that SHIB is still sustaining and gaining as it's up in the last 24 hours. Right above, floating above that 700 point per coin mark, but above it nonetheless. According to data from Into the Block, Shiba Inu's profitability has increased slightly as the SHIB price returns to a crucial level. On-chain analytics platform Into the Block categorizes addresses and tokens accordingly to obtain an aggregate view of the profitability of specific crypto assets. These are classified based on whether they are profiting, in the money, breaking even, at the money, or losing money, losing money out of the money, on their positions at the current price. This is done by determining an address's average cost based on the weighted average price at which it bought tokens and held. In regards, Shiba Inu Coin addresses that are profiting have seen an increase from 7%, reached at the peak of the sell-off last week, to 9%. Now, guys, this means, that there are still 91% of all addresses. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean 91% of all crypto held, because some of them are held by whales that could skew the average there. 91% of every single address that holds Shiba Inu Coin is in negative territory right now. Now, like I say, depending on the amount that each of those wallets holds, we could see a massive, massive willingness to hold Shiba Inu Coin at these levels. If there's only 9% of the people that are out there making money, the vast majority are going to be holding until they're profitable as well. It says this week gone by, a sell-off in the general crypto markets, and Shiba Inu Coin was not excluded from bear market's impact, dropping to lows of around 670 points per coin on October 11th, and losing the zealously regarded 700 point per coin support. All hopes were not lost as buyers stepped in and bought at 670 points per coin, driving it back up above the 700 point per coin mark. Since October 11th, Shiba Inu Coin has marked 3 consecutive days in the green. Finally, we've got some sort of a little rally taking place here. And I know we're only looking at roughly 5% gains from these lows, but the thing you have to remember is that it's on news. It's on a fundamental increase. It's on the fact that the SEC is not appealing the decision regarding Grayscale's spot Bitcoin ETF. Guys, this is the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning of the next step for cryptocurrency. Once the institutions get involved and you begin to see billions and then tens of billions and then hundreds of billions and possibly even trillions of dollars flowing into the cryptocurrency market through institutions and institutional confidence, that's when the next bull market rally is going to begin. So if this spot Bitcoin ETF does get approved, it's going to be a huge sign for Shiba Inu Coin and a huge bullish sign for the entire cryptocurrency market. It says SHIB was still sustaining these gains. It was up 1% over the last 24 hours to right above that 700 point per coin mark. Bulls are persistently putting up a fierce attempt to sustain the 700 level, and if successful, SHIB might aim to get back up to that 740 point per coin resistance. If the bears come through again, we could be testing that 670 mark. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu Coin burns continue, albeit at a steady pace. According to ShibBurn, in the last 24 hours, we've seen 13 million Shiba Inu Coin burn. Now, we know that burns are not gaining a lot of traction right now, and that's because Shiba Inu Coin, the volume is stagnant. We're talking all-time lows in terms of price action and volume activity since Shiba Inu Coin made a name for itself in 2021. Guys, if you're looking for a bottom, this could absolutely be it. Volume is down. The price is down. You're talking burns, down. Excitement and social media activity, down. If this is where we begin to see a transition from risk off assets back into risk on assets, as the overall confidence in the market begins to return, you are going to kick yourself if you either don't stay in or if you don't get in. I'm excited. I do hold Shiba Inu Coin right now, and 700 points per coin for me is an extremely significant level of support that must be held if we expect things to turn around. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.